All right, so lots of information on the coronavirus to go over, and I'm going to try to do it as quickly as possible because your time is valuable to me as well. So coronavirus has had its deadliest period in its history as of yet. There are 1,018 people confirmed killed from the virus, 42,708 diagnosed in mainland China. Director General of the World Health Organization said there had been 393 cases outside of China across 24 countries and 1 death. It brings the worldwide total death toll that has been confirmed, mind you, to 1,018 and 43,101 cases of the coronavirus worldwide. That's according to the World Health Organization. Also, the economic impact is going to be felt, and it looks like it's going to be the auto industry to feel it first and fullest. China's a big supplier of auto parts, the majority to the United States. China supplies $42 billion of auto parts to the world. 32 billion of that goes to the United States. So a lot of the auto industry companies are having war room style meetings trying to figure out how to handle the supply. In fact, the quote from the auto industry was, "You cannot make a car with 99% of the parts." Also, the director of the World Health Organization had said that there is a realistic chance of stopping coronavirus. He said, "If we invest now in rational and evidence-based interventions, we have a realistic chance of stopping the COVID-19 outbreak," he said during a news conference on Tuesday. And incidentally, for your curiosity, the COVID-19, or the official designation, the CO is Corona, VI is virus, D is December, 19 is 2019. Perhaps that will help you research things on your own. "We have to invest in preparedness," he said, adding that richer countries should help invest in countries with a weaker health system, in which I absolutely agree. Director General said the virus could create havoc if it reaches a country whose health system is not capable of handling such an epidemic. "I have great concern that if this virus makes it to a weaker health system, it will create havoc," he said. And yes, obviously it will. If a country is incapable of handling it, they don't have the infrastructure, the manpower, the resources, and this disease makes it to a country that can't handle it, it will spread and it will get worse. And then how do you contain it in a country that doesn't have the resources to assist you in containing it? He cautioned that the fact that thus far authorities have been able to prevent it, it doesn't mean it will not happen. It may. And lastly, I want to cover this. They are doing a clinical trial already. Wow, that is really quick. A coronavirus clinical trial is already underway in China, World Health Organization says. Dr. Michael J. Ryan, Executive Director of the World Health Organization, said that one clinical trial is already on the way in China, an attempt to find a cure to the novel coronavirus, he said at a news conference in Geneva on Tuesday. In China, in an attempt. I apologize, I read that poorly. Ryan went on to say that the World Health Organization was working with Chinese authorities to implement further clinical trials. Wow, that was pretty fast to get a clinical trial going. I am surprised at that. But those are your updates right now, at least the updates that that YouTube will allow me to update you with. Only absolutely official. But word in the pipeline is that those numbers, the death numbers, are going to go quite high. As individuals who have been locked away in private residences are found. So, anyways, that's what I've got, and that part is all mostly speculation based on Chinese social media and scouring it and seeing the news there and what people are saying and videos and evidence, but none of that has been confirmed. But I'm saying that we are going to know, well, the death toll will go up. I mean, that's a given. But educate yourselves, and I pray for everybody. I hope that you never want to report on something like this. Let's hope that clinical trial leads somewhere, but that's what I got for now. I thank you for your time, and I will see you on the next one.